So yeah, my leave-in conditioner is ready. Like in 10 minutes, you can make a leave-in conditioner at the comfort of your home with simple ingredients. And yeah, let's go.
Hello, greet
So the
everybody for
first ingredients we'll be using is this shea butter. Okay, you go ahead and measure the quantity you want. I use 3 spoons of shea butter. Depending on the quantity you are going for, go ahead and do your measurements. And yeah, the next thing we'll be adding is this hair growth oil. I made a video of how I made this oil in my channel. I believe in the link up here, so you go check it out. And I added 2 cups of this hair growth oil and castor oil. Just that measurement. I added a few drops of castor oil and of course tea tree oil, few drops of tea tree oil. They are all essential oils. Okay, and then this is emulsifying wax. I went ahead to add the emulsifying wax and mix it together. Take it to a double boiler and melt everything. Okay, the next thing we'll be using is this flaxseed. So I'm gonna just go 3 spoon. I did 3 spoon. Flaxseed is very good when it comes to moisturizing your hair, like very good. Okay, so I added water, take it to cook, and then sieve out the water. So right here is the flaxseed liquid, and then shea butter dissolved. You understand, right? So I'm just gonna mix the both together, and yeah, there's a flaxseed. Put a few drops of aloe vera and then mix them together. And like this, our leave-in conditioner is coming together very easy and fast to make on your own at home. Okay, so now the next thing we'll be doing is use our whisker and whisk until you get the texture you are going in for. Now while we are whisking, I'm just quickly gonna tell you what um leave-in conditioner have really done to my hair so far. Now I have a very strong hair. When it comes to spongy hair, when I was even on retouch hair, my hair no dey done. Like I'll put relaxer, the hair no go done. That is to show you how strong my hair was, and the my only savior was this leave-in conditioner. Like I always have leave-in conditioner around me. Leave-in conditioner helps to soften your hair. If you're having strong hair, this will help a lot. This will help a lot. And for the fact that I always use this leave-in conditioner, I decided to make one for myself, and it's very easy. And now I know the content of what I'm even using. I picked the right ingredients I wanted. So if you're having a strong hair, um your hair is scanty and all of that, go try using leave-in conditioner always on your hair. You see how your hair will miraculously transform. Okay, so I'm still whisking, turning. What was that? Okay. Yeah, still haven't gotten my texture. I went in, I increased the speed. So you keep whisking until everything is mixed together. The more you mix it, the more it gets thicker. If you're noticing, okay, the more I'm turning it, the more thicker it gets. Okay, mix, and make sure everything is mixed together. I didn't show guys, I forgot to show. I added preservative, okay, so that it will stay for a month for me. I added few bits of citric acid to it. Okay, I'll be leaving all the details of what I added here in the description box below. So keep whisking. Guys, everything I use here did not even cost me up to 3,000 naira. Yes, in naira. Okay, so the ingredients are very easy to get and very cheap. So you can just mix one for yourself and apply this always on your hair. You will see your hair will thank you. As you can see, it's getting thicker. Can you notice? It's getting thicker. The more I wait, everything is properly mixed together and it's getting thicker. Okay, I think we're getting it. Can you see how creamy this is? very creamy and well, I say nutritious. Guys, you get what I'm saying? It's very creamy, and yeah, we've gotten our leave-in conditioner like this. Like in 5 minutes, your leave-in conditioner is ready to be used. Can you see that? I got this 2 cup of this from that mixture, so I'm just showing us this. What I got was 2 cup of this, and this will take me for like 3 months. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly show us how I apply it to my hair, and this is me on my normal big twist. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray some water on my hair, and then I'm gonna just quickly apply on my hair. That's a leave-in conditioner. Rub it through, rub it from the roots and all of that. you know Anytime you want to style your hair, anytime you want to wave your hair like this, or anytime you want to comb your hair, just rub it. It's a good detangle. I forgot to mention, since that flaxseed will added will help detangle your hair so fast. That's the main function of flaxseed. It detangles it. Can you see? The comb is just going really well on my hair, like no freeze. It gets okay. So I went ahead to quickly give myself a rough twist, fast twist on my hair, twisted it. And yeah, when I'm done with the twist, this is how I look. Yeah, it's not looking neat. Yeah, I know. It's a rough twist on purpose, okay? And I wanna go out. How am I gonna style this hair? I decided to quickly show us how I normally style hair if I twist it like this. You can style it and it will still look cheeky. So this is the style I will be rocking this week. Yeah, it's my best protective style though. Okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pack it all back. Use my rubber band and hold it. You know, very quick and easy hairstyle. Yeah, add this to your quick natural hairstyle. You will love it. Like I can carry this hair like this for 1 week and be restyling it. The reason why I like this part of twist is that I can easily restyle it. And here, come on, look at this hair now. I went in to brush my front hair direct. Brush it very well, fine girly. So yeah, this is how it looks. Are you gonna rock something like this? Accessorize it to be there. Guys, we've come to the end of today's video, and thanks for watching. I will be leaving now, and to see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.